If you want to create that smooth boomerang effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a short clip into a looping boomerang style video on your PC using CapCut, step by step. This is perfect for action shots, quick transitions, funny moments, dance clips, or any video where you want the motion to play forward and then snap back in reverse for a cool, repeating effect. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides just like this one. It really helps the channel and it tells me to keep making more videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer and import the video file you want to edit. You can usually do this by dragging the clip into CapCut or using the import button to bring it into your media panel. Once your video is imported, add it to the timeline so you can start editing it. Now, the key to a good boomerang effect is choosing the right part of the clip. You do not want the whole video for this. Instead, trim your video down to a very short moment, usually around 1 to 2 seconds, where there is a clear action happening. This could be someone turning around, a jump, a gesture, a hair flip, a hand movement, or any motion that looks good when reversed. The cleaner and more focused the action is, the better the boomerang effect will look. After trimming the clip, the next step is to duplicate it. To do that, right-click on the clip in the timeline and choose Copy. Then click on an empty space in the timeline and choose Paste. If you prefer, you can also hold Alt and drag the clip to create an identical duplicate faster. The goal here is to make a second copy of the exact same clip. Now comes the most important part, reversing the duplicate. Select the duplicated clip on the timeline. Look at the toolbar just above the timeline and find the icon that looks like two triangles together with arrows circling around them. Click that icon and from the drop-down select Reverse. CapCut will now flip that duplicate so it plays backward instead of forward. Once the reverse process is complete, drag the reverse clip so it sits directly after the original clip. This is what creates the boomerang effect. Your video will play forward first, then instantly play backward, giving it that looping motion that makes boomerang edits look so polished and satisfying. If you want the boomerang to last longer, you can extend it very easily. Just highlight both clips together, copy them, and paste the pair again at the end of your timeline. You can repeat that as many times as you want, depending on how long you want the effect to last. This is a great way to make the boomerang feel more dynamic without needing to add extra footage. A quick tip here. If your clip feels a little too fast, try trimming a slightly longer section or using a smoother motion before reversing it. If it feels too slow, shorten the original action clip a little bit so the back and forth movement feels more energetic. Small timing adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. You can also add music, sound effects, or text on top of the boomerang if you want to make it more engaging. But even without extra effects, this simple forward and reverse technique gives you a clean boomerang style edit in just a few clicks. So to recap, you import and trim your clip, duplicate it, reverse the duplicate, and place it directly after the original. Then, if needed, you copy the pair to extend the effect across the timeline. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you learn how to add a boomerang effect to CapCut videos, please give this video a like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, tutorials, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.